Oh, they are so cute.
Oh, little noises are making.
I know.
I want to take them home and cuddle them.
Oh, listen to them. Oh, wow, trees.
Yeah, two kookaburra.
I can't do it. I can't do it.
Hey, kookaburra sits in his what? All gum tree. I was responding to you.
I can't do it.
Oh, look at that, guys. Some little cute little marmosets.
That is so cute. Oh, there's another one coming out. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, hello. Oh, hello. Hello. Oh, it's weeing.
Are you having a
Nice.
pee, little fella? Oh,
No.
it's spraying it at us.
Thanks.
You dead little git. It's spraying its piss at us. Hello, little fella, but stop pissing.
Armadillos. Oh, they're so cute. Oh. Two armadillos in there.
Oh yeah, proper real armadillos. Is this a way to armadillo? Check them cute little foxes out, look.
Oh, guys. There's two in there asleep. Look, that's what they are.
Are they? Some fox.
Yeah. Oh, they are so cute.
Can't hear us, like, yeah, whatever. We're chilling. Apparently they're called raccoon dogs. Never heard of them.
I know, but they're very smelly.
Yes.
What's that one in the shed?
Been smoking dope by the smell of it.
Oh, that is so cute. Oh.
Chilling. Like, nah guys, sorry, but it's too nice. We're just gonna chill. I don't give a fuck if you film when we are asked.
Two way? What's that way then?